Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is for the week of November 27th till December 3rd. It is my catch-all, which is called Deep Botanicals, and it is a classic size happy planner. Today I'm going to be using Autumn Days from Cassathetic Plans, and I am still making a fall spread as this week falls into the section of November. So here we go. I am going to be using these lovely and beautiful, I don't even know what to call it, like smudges and florals. They're absolutely stunning and I wanted to incorporate them in my planner. This is going to be a once again busy week. We are hosting Friendsgiving, you guys. So super excited about that. And here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of these things into here. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to be adding all of these little flowers to the sidebar for myself, and then I'm going to work on the spread itself as well. But I like my sidebar full, especially when I'm not using it. So my notebook of lists and notes and stuff took away quite a few of the burdens of the brain dumps and stuff like that. So I can keep my focus pretty clean on all the things that I need to do. I hope you guys had a really good Thanksgiving, and I hope it was delicious and filled with beautiful memories of family and friends together. That's one of my favorite times of the year. I truly love Thanksgiving. It's such a good holiday. There's like no stress of gift giving or anything like that. It's truly wonderful. So if you guys are with me, let me know. But little secret, like I said before, my family does not do gifts for Christmas, so I only worry about my boyfriend's family, which is great. Okay, next up, couple little things like this. So I'm gonna put some boxes down on top of some of these designs and make it so I can plan around them. I love this beautiful color scheme that she created. I'm gonna add these small little boxes as always, so bear with me because this is something that I love doing. So these are for my work schedule. I took Thursday off. I have some PTO that I need to take advantage of, and I'm going to be working on the Friendsgiving. So I'm going to cut these flowers in half and kind of use them in conjunction to the box. I think that's going to look pretty good. You let me know what you think. But I am enjoying the look of this. I love the fall florals. These are so pretty, you guys. I don't know where she gets her designs, but holy moly, right? Beautiful. Okay, so now I need a lot more because this planner is mostly functional, you guys. Yeah, as always. So I'm going to be adding boxes and bullet points. So I'm going to put a whole bunch of bullet points on my hand, and then we're going to distribute them accordingly. Bullet points let me kind of control how many things I do in a day a lot better than a checklist, because I was cramming stuff in between the little bullet points on a checklist as well. So no good. I don't like that. So I think I am improving with the things that I actually can accomplish in a day. So here we go. This is exactly what I'm doing. I'm just pulling some bullet points for the whole week and we will go from there. But pretty easy. I think I'm going to do 3 bullet points a day. And I have these big checklists or big boxes if I want to do more things if I'm done, right? So no big deal. So I'm gonna do yellow, light blue, dark blue. I think that's the color. I'm gonna keep these on top. Look how cute these are. Like, these are the perfect size of bullet points. Cassie, I commend you for this because I struggle with this constantly. Perfect size of bullet points. I will say it again. I am loving this. So same thing, except this one is going to be in the middle row. Okay. And then I just need to do Sunday. Okay, so a couple more. Not too much, not too much. 3 more little bullet points. And then we can add a few more decorations and call it a day. I need more boxes, you guys. I'm looking at this and like, yeah, there's a cluster of boxes, but not every day has a box. So let's work on this. I need some boxes, 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 boxes. And then we'll go from there. But this is looking beautiful. I love the colors. I truly love, love, love the colors and how this is turning out to be. Okay. So I'm gonna add one on Sunday. I need one on, I don't know, Wednesday for sure. Monday too. Kind of need one that's not big. Right there. Right there. Bring that beautiful copper into the mix. I love this color, you guys. Okay, and this one just right here for the sake of it, and then that one, so I have kind of like a thing on the bottom with all the boxes. Okay, I want to see if I can add this little guy in here and kind of make a whole thing flow, because I really love this color and I love how that looks. So I think that works. And then I can add florals as well. So what we're gonna do is add this right here. And then the florals right on top, kind of overlapping in a different way. So again, autumn days. If you're looking for that sticker book, and clearly this doesn't have to be just fall. It doesn't have anything that says it's fall only. So I'm the one who said that the colors are, well, the copper one is very fall. Everything else is any season, really. You can use it in the winter. Her design is gorgeous, you guys. So if this is your first time seeing her sticker book, I'm so happy you did because it's gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess off of that one and the other one, and I should be all set. So I'm gonna be putting this back into my planner, but I am not pressing enough on cutting those, so I'm gonna grab a different cutter. I was trying to be so gentle because the other one is like needle point sharp, but oh well. A lot of times with this one I do cut my page, which is not my favorite. Okay, let's pop this back in. I love how it looks. I love the colors. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.